Welcome to this quick demonstration of BeyondTrust Remote Support and Jira Service Management. The goal of Service Desk is to help organizations quickly and efficiently improve service levels and overall customer satisfaction. Integrating BeyondTrust Remote Support directly into the Jira Service Management workflows lets you create a secure foundation for more automated, intelligent, and innovative ITSM processes. Together, we can turbocharge an organization's service desk and overall processes, demonstrating greater flexibility and value to the business. In this demonstration, we will cover the following integration features and capabilities. Generate a session key. This is where support staff can generate a session key that can be given to the end user over the phone or via email to initiate a support session that is automatically associated with the selected issue. Import remote support session data into an issue. Once the support session ends, the issue is automatically updated with information gathered during the session such as summary, representative, chat session, recording links, and session notes. And finally, jump to an asset. Representatives can also remote into an asset using a one-click action from within the incident, change, service request, or problem, which will initiate the session to that asset using the representative console. Here we are logged in as a user Jin Lu, who will report a problem with a piece of hardware. She will put in a summary to that problem, as well as some details, and submit that incident. The incident will come into a queue where an agent can pick it up, in this case Arjun Singh, who will assign it to themselves as well as put in other relevant information such as the asset name. The first part of this demonstration, Arjun will generate a session key that he will send the end user, who can then go to the remote support portal and enter that in to request a support session. Switching to the user Jin Lu, she will go to the portal and enter the session key that was provided by the agent. Back in the console, Arjun can pick up that session request and begin troubleshooting the issue. Next, we will look at the other option where Arjun can remote directly into Jin Lu's machine by using the Jump To feature. As you can see, Arjun can initiate a session right from within the incident, and this will initiate a connection to the representative console to Jin Lu's machine, where Arjun can proceed to troubleshoot the issue. For this incident, Jin was having an issue with her mouse, so Arjun will open the appropriate tools that will allow him to troubleshoot the issue. Once the issue has been resolved, Arjun can communicate via chat to Jin the next steps in terms of the issue resolution. After the remote support session ends, information such as summary, representative, chat session, recording link, and session notes are automatically updated within the incident. Chat history can be accessed directly by using the link provided in the notes. And the session recording can also be accessed directly by the link provided in the notes. This concludes our demonstration of remote support in Jira Service Management. For more information, please reach out to your BeyondTrust representative. Thank you.